How to make zip file. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can make zip file in laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to select the file or the video or any other folder that you want to add in your zip file. So once you have your file or folder, in order to create a zip file, all you have to do is select them all. Once you have selected them all, right click on it from this drop down. Click on compress to. After that, head to its zip file and click on it. After you do that, your zip file is now created right here. Now you can rename your zip file. And there you go. In this way, you can create a zip file. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.